If your child is a reluctant exerciser, here's one way to encourage him. Make physical activity a family affair, whether you hike, bike, or swim together. Hi, I'm Dr. Altmann. We all know kids need plenty of physical activity, but are you sure your kids are getting as much exercise as they need? I ask because these days a lot of kids aren't as active as they should be. Children aged 6 to 13 need at least 90 minutes of physical activity every day. For some kids, that might mean trading time in front of the TV or computer for more time moving around. Other kids are obsessed with a particular sport and don't get enough variety. But it's a good idea to aim for a combo of moderate and vigorous activity. Moderate exercise includes brisk walking, skating, and bike riding. More vigorous exercise includes running and playing soccer. If your child is a reluctant exerciser, here's one way to encourage him. Make physical activity a family affair, whether you hike, bike, or swim together. The point is to have fun and get everyone moving. I'm Dr. Altmann. For more ways to keep your whole family healthy, check out all our smart tips right here.